We are from India.
From Canada, University of Victoria.
We represented Northern Ireland.
I'm from Turkey.
I'm from Switzerland.
Currently at the University of Maastricht Law Faculty, we have 22 countries being represented for the ICCC.
It is the only international opportunity for students who have studied interviewing and counseling clients to take the very best from every country and meet and share their skills in one forum.
Next team is Team USA. The boys in the band.
What kind of music do you play?
We used to play punk.
It's a skill that, at least in Canada, isn't really taught in the law school classes. So going through the moot process and having a team and a coach is a really valuable skill building, especially because it's one of the skills we're assessed on our bar exam.
It's like doing an exam on the spot. You have to listen, okay, if this, then that, this is your legal solution, so you have to think on your toes.
Not only about giving solutions or asking the relevant questions as well, but also how you build that rapport with the client. So having to be more of a third observer for us, it was very important.
The teams were all really good, and they show that they know how to interact with the client, and I think they all did a really good job, and I want to congratulate them all.
It brings out the talents in law students more, where they can meet other students from a different type of countries. We learn about their culture. It's not about the whole law thing, but it's actually
more like culture, because we heard from people that the US interview was so totally different than how we did. So it's like our culture. We tend to like see other people, how they're doing and how we are different from them, that kind.
Maastricht hosted it in 2011 and now in 2018, and it's exciting because you have so many students from almost every continent being represented, and we get to know different legal systems, because part of the competition is the students solve the problem based on the law in their country. And so this is quite interesting for the judges and the lawyers from Maastricht and the region who are participating. They get to watch these various students perform, and they get to figure out how other countries might solve these problems. And of course there's quite a bit of mingling that's done both before and after the competition. And of course all the students that come get to see Maastricht and see how beautiful it is, and they travel to the caves, and we had 4 historical tours that we had done by legal professors, and we have pancake cruises on the Maas and so many other fun things that the students get to do, and also their national representative, their coaches, and they go home and they talk about Maastricht, and they've got the hashtag ICCC 2018 Maastricht.
It was a wonderful experience. I think the organizers did a terrific job in making sure that everything was taken care of right from the beginning.
And we have learned a lot. It was on unbundling and all, and I think it was a great learning experience, yes.
All the countries were really good. It's a pretty tough competition.
Every one of these students is excellent. The hard part of the judging is figuring out which one does better in a particular area. Everywhere from getting information, to working as a team, to giving good legal advice, to solving problems, to being able to empathize with the client. So there are lots of variables, and the judges have to compare and contrast the 3 teams as to each one of those variables and come up with a decision. That's not an easy job. And first place, USA.
Yeah, I'm excited to text my mom and dad and tell them how we did.